love it. Instantly, I'm thinking swamp. Definitely gonna have to get my hands on one of these simply for the packaging. Onion, donkey, mud. Donkey, the main man, he needs to have a product. Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we have something very, very exciting, and honestly, I did not see this collaboration coming. It was a shock for me, as I'm sure it is for you guys, but Lush have decided to do a Lush collaboration with Shrek. Instantly, I'm thinking swamp, onion, donkey, mud, dirt, garden kind of smell. So I'm so intrigued to see what all these products are going to smell like, what they've released, and the kind of colour theme as well. So without further ado, we are going to dive right into the video. Before I do, as always, I do just want to say thank you so much to lush.sense on Instagram for putting up these spoilers and allowing me to do these videos. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So before I dive into the products, I'm just going to let you guys know when and where this is going to be released. So the collaboration is going to be available on the Lush app and in selected stores, and that includes Glasgow, Liverpool, Oxford Street and Edinburgh, and that's going to be on the 22nd of March. So hopefully as you're watching this in 2 days time. I'm filming this probably about 3 hours before you're watching this, so this is commitment. But anyway, it will then be launching online on the 25th of March for the UK. So to anybody who can't get to those stores or who doesn't have the app, you can still get it online. And then for the US and Canada, it is going to be released on April 9th on the app and April 11th online. And in regards to Europe, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, there are going to be release dates coming soon. So if you guys don't follow lush.sense on Instagram, make sure you do, because I'm sure they'll let you know when it's going to be released. So let's dive into the products. So the first item is Get Out of My Swamp Shower Slime. Now there had to be some sort of slimy green kind of product for this range, I think, because it wouldn't be a Shrek collaboration if there wasn't. This is going to be £9 for 100 grams or £18 for 225, and it's going to be a new Shrek Swamp scent. So I have no idea what this is going to smell like. I'm hoping and praying it doesn't just smell like pure garden, but to be honest with you, I feel like if it is a swamp kind of smell, it is going to smell earthy, it is going to smell like a garden. So fingers crossed it's got a bit of something else going on, but that looks very exciting. And I will say as well, I absolutely love the effort they put in for the packaging, because I feel like before all the packaging was the same, but maybe a few labels were different. But this is like a see-through green kind of packaging, a really fun cartoon Shrek on the front, so I'm absolutely obsessed with that one. The next item in the range is the Shrek Swamp Bathbomb. This one is going to retail for £8, which honestly I think is rather expensive, especially if it's going to be a standard size bath bomb. I think £8 is quite steep. However, it looks very cute. It's a green kind of S with the Shrek, what are they called? Ears? I always think antennas, but they're not, they're ears. The only kind of thoughts I have on this one is it's brown and green, therefore it's going to make your bath water literally look browny green, which isn't a bit of me, I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like the colour is really gonna put me off. And also fragrance wise, again, this is gonna be the new Shrek Swamp scent, so who knows what this smells like. I have absolutely no idea, but to anyone out there who is watching this video after the release date and you know what this smells like, please let us all know down below, because I would love to know and I'm very intrigued. I do love the design. Again, it's just the brown and green combo, I just don't really think it's for me. Next up we have a shower gel. A shower gel is definitely more my kind of vibe as opposed to the shower slime, so I'm really excited about this one. This is the Fiona Shower Gel, and price wise this one is £10 for 100 grams, £20 for 250 grams and £34 for 500 grams. Again, this one is a new fragrance. It's classed as the new Fiona scent. Apparently it's supposed to be fruity, lime, zesty. I feel like I'm going to really enjoy it. Maybe it's going to be similar to like Avo Bath or that kind of vibe, which I really love. And again, I absolutely love the design of the packaging. I think the label is so fun and different. Obviously you've got like human Fiona and then ogre Fiona, and I just love the look of this. I think it's so fun, it's so different. And actually originally when I heard that Lush and Shrek were doing like a little collaboration, I didn't know what they could do with it to make it not all slimy green swampy kind of products, so I'm really enjoying this so far. So yeah, that is the shower gel, and I'm excited to give that one a try. The next item we have is the By Night One Way, By Day Another body spray, and this is £35. Again, this one is going to be the Fiona fragrance, so zesty, fruity, citrusy. If you're into those kinds of smells, you will really enjoy it. I know that I love those kinds of smells, and again, I just absolutely love the design of this bottle. Again, I know it's like a black spray bottle, but the sticker itself has a lot of detail, which I really like. I love that kind of little, just a little bit of something special. I think that's really fun and different. And again, when I read that name, By Night One Way, By Day Another, I always hear it in the Shrek, when Fiona's telling the story. It just makes me laugh.
By night one way, by day another, this shall be the norm, until you find true love's first kiss, and then take love's true form.
But anyway, that is the next item. I feel like this wouldn't be a Shrek collaboration without the Gingy Bubble Bar. Now, I absolutely love Gingy, the gingerbread man from Shrek. I think he's such a fun character, and just his whole gumdrop button situation just always makes me laugh.
My gumdrop button!
I love it. But this one is Carrot Cake Lip Scrub Scented, which is orange, cinnamon, carob resinoid, and ginger. I really liked that fragrance from what I can remember. I think it was a very foodie, kind of edible, not hot cross bun, but you kind of know what I mean. Colour wise with this one, I'm not too sure about how it would make the bath water, because it is a gingerbread man coloured bubble bar, which means the water is probably going to go a kind of brownish orange colour, which I don't know whether that will be nice or not. Maybe it's got a few more colours on the inside to kind of contrast with that. Maybe like a red middle would be really cool. But yeah, I love the look of this one. Again, it just looks like Gingy from Shrek. We love him. We all know who he is, and I can't wait to give that one a try as well. Again, I feel like this wouldn't be a Shrek collaboration without having something for Donkey. I feel like Donkey, the main man, he needs to have a product. So we have the Donkey Bath Bomb, which is £6, and this is Yognog scented. Now, I don't quite understand the colour combo with the smell with this one, because it looks to be an off-white and blue colour bath bomb, which is fantastic for the water. It will look lovely, but considering it smells like Yognog, I feel like it kind of doesn't make sense. I feel like it should have been, I don't know, it's hard because obviously Donkey is grey, so you don't really want grey bath water, so maybe that's why they did the blue and the off-white. But I love the smell of Yognog, so it's an instant win for me. And if you guys don't know what Yognog smells like, it's almond, clove, ylang ylang, and maple syrup. But basically, to describe it, it smells edible, like a caramel toffee cookie. Like, that's what it smells like. It's the most beautiful smell. If you love foodie smells and really sweet smells, you will love Yognog. So if you kind of are missing it from Christmas, definitely a good product to get hold of, because I absolutely love it. I'm so excited about that one. I can't wait to try it. And before we get into the last product, I do just want to say, if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would absolutely love for you guys to join my corner of the internet. We do this kind of thing a lot over here, so if you guys like it, then please join. It's completely free, and I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers in 2024. So the last product we have is something so incredibly exciting, because if you guys know me and you've watched my content for a while, you will know that I am absolutely obsessed with Mask of Magdaminty. Now, it has had a makeover for this collaboration, so the product itself is still the same, which means it's a very minty, scrubby, very lovely, invigorating kind of face mask. Not great for sensitive skin, but if you kind of have spot prone skin and that kind of vibe, you will absolutely love this face mask. And I always call it like the movie green face mask. It's now swamp green, which means this is called the Shrek Pack face mask. This is essentially, as I said, it's still Mask of Magdaminty. It's just had a little bit of a glow up. The packaging is different, so I'm definitely gonna have to get my hands on one of these simply for the packaging, because I absolutely love the look of this. I love the fact it's still the classic product, but you can still get involved in the Shrek collaboration. I'm just a massive fan, and price-wise on this one, I don't actually know how much Mask of Magdaminty is at the moment. I'm gonna Google it because I can't actually remember. One second. So price-wise for this one, if they are going to charge the same as the regular packaging, you have the 125 gram pot for £10, the 315 gram pot for £20, and the 600 gram pot for £30. So if you are a massive fan of Mask of Mag like me, I would definitely recommend getting one of these because the packaging alone is just so cute. I absolutely love it. So those are all of the products for the Lush Shrek range. I would love to know down below, what are your thoughts and opinions on this range? Because when I first saw that it was coming out, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really overly sure about it. I thought, how can that correlate to Lush? Like, I wonder what they're gonna bring out that is gonna work. But actually sitting down and going through the products, seeing what they smell like and things like that, I'm actually rather excited. I don't know whether I will go out and buy the whole range. I'm really intrigued to smell the new fragrances. So seeing what the Shrek scent is and the Fiona scent is, I'm really intrigued. I probably wouldn't buy the Shrek Bath Bomb in my opinion though, because I just feel like it is going to go brown, but I am going to go into store and give it a smell and see what I think. So let me know down below in the comments, what are you going to be picking up from the range? I would love to know. And yeah, as I said, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.